Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android head unit for Audi A3 27 to 23 to 2012 years. Okay, you can check this UI interface. Let me connect the Wi-Fi antenna on back of head unit. Okay, you can check the front panel. It's special Android head unit. It's built-in DVD player and this home button, volume, and nerve button. Okay, please take out the screen protector before using. Okay, you can check Wi-Fi antenna is full single. You can choose time. You can choose logo, Belsee logo. You also can choose the other logo in this. From this, you can choose Audi. Okay, and you can change this theme editor with red color. Okay, let me check the settings. You also can change these buttons, lights, elements with red and gray, blue, any color. You can adjust this panel. Okay, now we choose the red. Now we check the system. About motion, you can check model is PX5 Octa core. Android version is 8.0 Autoradio system. Then we back to home. Let me introduce internet at first. At first, we need to connect VPN. Because our country doesn't visit Google Play or Google Service directly. It's already connected the Wi-Fi. It's built-in microphone, and this is SD card slot, two SD cards. Oh no, this is install kit. You can check head unit come with these two. Let me check. There are photo. You can press this position and this slot to install it. Okay, and it comes with GPS antenna. This USB, front mini USB. There are 4 USB on back of head unit. Okay, this audio connector, RCA type. This is external microphone. Okay, and this special for factory plug for Audi. Okay, you can check, and please and press this. You can check this plug. And disconnect. Press this and pull out. Okay. And this is back of connector. Okay, it's plug and play. Okay, let me introduce the internet. It's built in Google. Support Google Voice. What time in China? What's time in China? Sorry for it doesn't work. Let me check the Belsee.com. I think I need to upgrade the Google. Okay, this is our website, belsee.com, belse.com. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. We will respond to all questions and solve your all problem. Okay. It's for BMW new model. Okay. There are no sound because I do not connect the small speaker. Okay, let me show the navigation. It's built in Google Maps. New York. Okay, it supports Google Voice Command. You can speak New York. It shows the New York City. London. Okay, it work with Google Voice. It will search London City automatically. Okay. Let me introduce music. There are four USB on back head units. This USB driver. You connect the USB. It will play music automatically. Okay. The USB 3. This list, sound list. There are no sound because I do not connect the small speaker. The amplifier. Stop. Next knob. Okay, no problem. There are no sound info. Okay. It supports dual screen. Long press it will show the split screen. Okay. It supports when you navigation and play music at the same time. Okay. Let me introduce the Bluetooth. Long press to set the app. Bluetooth. Find the let me close. Set the Bluetooth. Okay, you can check this pin number 40. This is my Galaxy S8 Plus. Let me open my phone. Okay, please open the Bluetooth from your phone. When you pair, click search button. It will search the device. Okay, search the Galaxy S8 Plus. When you pair it, click pair button. Your phone will get the command. Put the 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 40. Click OK. Okay, it will change the color and show Bluetooth icon. You can make a phone call. Okay. You can stream music from your phone via the A2DP. There are no sound because I do not connect the small speaker. Okay, you can stream music from your phone. And let me play the video. Choose a USB 3. It supports 4K and some 4K demo video. Okay. The volume button. Okay, that's all. Let me check the back of head unit. Disconnect the. Okay. Please check this two screw. Please uninstall it before installing. Okay, this is back of head unit. Sorry. This radio antenna, this connectors, this Wi-Fi antenna, GPS antenna, and this USB ports 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 USB, and this power special for connector. Okay. Okay, you can check this side and this. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all. Thank you.